In this video, I will discuss all the high-end apartment projects that are coming up in Hyderabad. All of these property sizes are at least 5000 SFT and cost at least 5 crores. The first one and my favorite one is Mantri's project coming up in Jubilee Hills. The location for this project is here at Jubilee Hills Checkpost. So this is road number 2 and this is road number 36. This project is called Mantri A. This side of the tower is completely open to KBR Park and it has great views. The renders look very beautiful. You can see the whole tower is surrounded by a pool. The flat sizes here are from 3000 SFT to 12,000 SFT. And the price starts from 8 crores and goes as high as 20 crores. That means roughly 16,000 rupees per SFT. Once finished, the project will look like this and you can also see the progress right here. Next in this list is GVK Sky City. They are the ones who built Bangalore and Mumbai airports. So this residential project of theirs is also equally grand. This GVK Sky City is coming up in Somajiguda, just beside Raj Bhavan. This is the master plan. The terrace plan for this project looks fantastic. Price is from 4 crores to 6 crores. Sizes range from 4000 to 6000 SFT. This is the render and this is the progress. The normal price range in Hyderabad is 4000 to 6000 rupees per SFT. So compared to these prices, these luxury projects are at least twice to 3 times the average price. Now the third project in this area is Pranava 1. This one's coming just adjacent to Erram Manzil metro station, just behind Raj Bhavan. Both these Pranava 1 and GVK Sky City have great views of Hussain Sagar. A single flat in Pranava 1 costs 5 to 6 crores. They are all 5000 SFT units with great views. This is what it will look like, and here this is the progress. You have seen the major projects in central Hyderabad. Now let's look at West Hyderabad where more projects are shaping up. When it comes to premium residential market, Hyderabad might soon cross Bangalore in the next 5 years in terms of total high-end units sold. So it could only be next to Delhi and Mumbai in luxury apartment sales. And back to West Hyderabad. Here we have Aparna 1. This is located in Shekhpet near Film Nagar. They are all 30 plus floors towers. They have sizes ranging from 2000 to 5000 SFT. Prices are from 3 to 7 crores. So this is another 12,000 per SFT venture. This is the progress and this is the final output. Now if we come to Rai Durgam, My Home Bhuja is another premium project. Though a bit large in size, this project has a central location in the most happening place of the city. Their prices range from 3 to 4 crores. Here we have DSR First. DSR is known for high quality and lavish projects. This is one of their ventures. This has great renders and it's almost finished, and DSR First has great Kajaguda lake views and also very appealing exteriors. For such a large tower, its density is just 25 units per acre. Price is roughly 10 crores and size is 6000 SFT. Next we come to Kondapur. DSR has another superior project here near Botanical Gardens. This is Botanical Gardens and the project's name is DSR W. This particular project costs 7 crores per unit. This is the plan, this is the progress, and these are the renders. Next we will look at projects in Financial District and around ORR. First, SAS Crown. This will come up here near Kokapet exit. SAS Crown is going to be the tallest tower in Hyderabad. It's gonna be 58 floors. This also would cost 12,000 per SFT or even more. Minimum size would be at least 5,000 SFT. Like I said, we have seen a lot of demand for premium residences in the city since the last 1 year. And here at Gandipet Junction at this location, this is the CBIT road. So at this location we have Sontalia Sky Villas. This is very close to Usman Sagar. Price of a flat in this project is 5 to 6 crores at a price of 8,000 per SFT. Now all of these are under construction projects. Total value of all these flats combined comes to nearly 20,000 crores. For comparison, the total cost for construction of ORR was around 7,000 crores. And even the total budget for upcoming regional ring road is 17,000 crores. We have two more major projects that are still in planning stage. One is Alekia project here at this location. This is Narsingi Junction, and here Alekia builders are coming up with a superb high-rise premium project. And here at this location, DSR is coming up with another major project. So I will update you guys about more of these projects when these builders come up with complete plans. That's all about large scale apartments that I know. In case you like my content, do consider donating over here at InstaMojo. I have also provided all the links in the description.